Drone swarms for military use. According to reports, and if you go on YouTube, there's different videos. The military is working on using drone swarms. There's different factors related to this that I think make it pretty interesting. One is that these drones can work collaboratively and autonomously, so they can try to solve problems or applications for, in this case, presumably military use collectively, whether it be searching out targets or potentially in the future, if I guess if the United States authorizes it, or other countries, even lethal use, if that's something that, again, the people or the government authorize. I'm not sure exactly how that authorization would work, but in addition to the collaborative, problem-solving, and autonomous nature of these, there's also, a lot of factors around maneuverability that, obviously drones can get to a lot of places that other things can't, and, by the capacity to fly and to, go in small spaces. Drones are becoming smaller and smaller when needed. There's reports that drone swarms can be individually the size of insects now. So imagine like thousands of insect-sized drones coordinated. If they're small enough, they would hardly even be visible. And they still have the capacity to, integrate within themselves and carry out missions.